You've been sitting on the fence trying to decide if the Ninja Creami is actually worth all the hype or if it's just another overhyped kitchen gadget destined to gather dust in your cabinet. You're in the exact right place. It is completely natural to look at a machine like this and wonder if it can truly deliver on all the promises you see on social media feeds. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 reasons this machine is an absolute game changer for your kitchen, your lifestyle, and your wallet. We are going to look past all the marketing and talk about how this device fundamentally changes the way we think about frozen treats. Let's dive straight into reason number 5. It makes meal prepping and satisfying your daily cravings insanely easy, no matter what your lifestyle looks like. We live in a world where you usually have to choose a side, right, when it comes to diet culture. You are either the extreme fitness person counting every single macro, measuring out powders and sacrificing flavor for results, or you are the straight up, unapologetic ice cream lover who wants all the heavy cream, all the sugar, and all the rich mix-ins. The true beauty of the Creami is that it doesn't judge and it never forces you to choose a side. It caters to both lifestyles with absolute perfection. If you're on a strict fitness journey or just trying to watch your calories, you know how disappointing low-calorie ice cream from the grocery store can be. It's often chalky, icy, and incredibly expensive. With this machine, you can simply mix up your favorite protein shake, pour it into the pint container, and freeze it overnight. If you want to, then you just gotta spin it. What comes out is a thick, creamy, luxurious soft serve that genuinely makes you feel like you're cheating on your diet when you're actually hitting your exact protein goals. On the flip side, if you just want to make the richest, most decadent premium ice cream on the block using real custard, egg yolks, and heavy cream, you can do that too. It completely streamlines the entire process for you. You can spend 10 minutes on a Sunday prepping 5 or 6 different pints ahead of the time, stack them neatly in your freezer, and you're set for a week. A healthy post-workout treat or a cheat day masterpiece is always just a single button press away. And that brings us to reason number 4. You quite literally cannot mess this up. Traditional ice cream making, it's an actual art form that requires extreme precision. You need the perfect balance of fats and sugar so it doesn't freeze into a solid block of pure ice. You have to deal with rock salt, you have to freeze the mixing bowl for 24 hours, and you have to watch it churn what seems like endless amount of time. The Ninja Creami, however, completely flips the script because it isn't an ice cream maker in the traditional sense. It's a micro creamery that uses a powerful motor to shave frozen blocks into microscopic particles. Because of this unique technology, it's virtually foolproof. You can turn basically anything frozen into a smooth, scoopable dessert, although I wouldn't advise it, but you could quite literally freeze a pint of regular milk, mix with a little bit of sugar, spin it, and it will come out decent. It completely defies the old laws of traditional ice cream making. So if you want a perfect example of how effortless this is, just take a standard can of pineapples and juice from your pantry. Don't drain it, don't chop it up, just don't overthink it. Just dump the entire contents of that can straight into a creamy pint, pop the lid on, and freeze it solid. Once it's frozen, you run it on the sorbet setting. What you get out of the machine is a smooth, velvety, incredibly vibrant treat that tastes exactly like a Dole Whip you would pay a premium for at a world-famous theme park. It takes 0 culinary skill, 0 cooking knowledge, and 0 effort to look like a frozen dessert mastermind in front of your friends and family. Reason number 3, well, that's all about your hard-earned money, right? Let's talk about how this machine helps you save money on ice cream. If you walk down the grocery store ice cream aisle right now and you look at the prices of premium ice cream brands or specialized high-protein, low-calorie pints, the prices are astronomical. Buying just 2 or 3 of those specialty pints a week, it quickly adds up to a massive monthly grocery bill. It kind of feels like a luxury item just to have a decent dessert in your freezer these days. But with the Creami, you're completely bypassing that premium markup. You are buying basic, everyday ingredients in bulk. Things like milk, fruit, yogurt, or protein powders, which cost a small fraction of the price per serving compared to the pre-packaged pints. So when you sit down and you actually crunch the numbers, it doesn't take long at all to hit that break-even point on the initial cost of the machine itself. If you're a regular ice cream consumer, or if you have a big family that goes through frozen treats quickly, the math works heavily in your favor. Once your cumulative cost savings per pint cover that initial investment of the machine, it practically starts paying for itself. Every pint you make after that point is money back in your pocket, all while delivering a superior, freshly spun product that hasn't been sitting in a grocery store deep freezer for months. Moving on to reason number 2, which is a massive relief for so many households. Absolute inclusivity for severe food allergies. If you, your partner, or your children suffer from severe food allergies or intolerances, navigating the dessert aisle, it's a total stressful nightmare sometimes. Dairy-free options are often cross-contaminated or filled with strange fillers. Gluten-free choices are incredibly limited, and nut-free guarantees are very hard to come by in facilities that process standard ice cream. You always see that extra warning label. So to make matters worse, the specialty options that are safe, they usually cost twice as much and they taste half as good, leaving people feeling left out during family dessert time. The Ninja Creami completely eliminates all of that anxiety and stress. Because you are the one purchasing the ingredients and pouring them into the pint, you control 100% of what goes into your body. You have total peace of mind. If you need a completely nut-free environment, you've got it. If you need a dairy-free treat, you can use oat milk, almond milk, coconut cream, whatever. You can create completely gluten-free, soy-free, or even sugar-free treats that actually taste incredible and possess the exact velvety texture of real high-end ice cream. Nobody has to feel left out or compromised anymore. Everyone gets to enjoy dessert safely, and you never have to anxiously squint at a confusing nutrition label or warning sign again. And finally, the number one reason to get a Ninja Creami, it's the sheer variety and excitement that it adds to your daily life, and I am 100% serious. Food boredom is a very real thing, especially if you're trying to stick to a specific health routine or meal plan. Eating the same flavor day after day gets old fast. But with this machine, monotony is completely non-existent. All you need to do is find 1 or 2 base recipes that you absolutely love, whether that's a classic vanilla bean cream or a smooth oat milk blend or a rich chocolate protein base. From there, the sky is truly the limit. You can prep a whole week's worth of identical bases and customize every single pint completely differently just by using the mix-in setting. On Monday, you might have a crushed sandwich cookies folded into a vanilla base. On Wednesday, you might want a refreshing tart fruit mix-in to brighten up your evening. And by Friday night, hey, you can toss in peanut butter cups and chocolate syrup for a decadent weekend reward. No matter what specific, hyper-specific cravings strike you at the end of a long, stressful day, you are already there to have a custom solution waiting for you in your freezer. It keeps your daily routine exciting, keeps your taste buds guessing, and it ensures you never get tired of your desserts. And if you're looking to add this type of variety into your life, you should start here with these 3 recipes that are 100% flavor bombs, or these 3 that are ideal for a macro-friendly lifestyle, and I'll see you over there. Bye.